Morning everyone, welcome to today's morning broadcast.
I think the S2 classmates have been waiting so long to know the results.
Now, let's continue on our announcement.
2A 歐國浩、白奕涵、陳建豪、陳浩坤、陳木琪、張韻詩、蔡銀添、簡卓南、劉益新、李韓迪、羅永軒、鄧范雲天、黃子柔、張俊宏、趙培錦。
2B, Amna, Gabriel, Season, Alicia, Leo, Aradhana, Soa, Hania, Siddhartha, Ivanka, Tachunghe, Tumia, Alexandra, Brian, Prabik, Yuvan, Syra, Avias, Regina, Umang, Adriel, Ira, Isaiah.
2C 歐欣橋、李燕妮、曾柏恒、黃子津、殷顯龍。 2D 黃正浩。
2E 陳俊宇、陳家寶、陳思業、蔣博文、周景南、丁樂欣、馮彥君、胡志遠、賈適文、梁嘉莉、李俊富、陸卓星、吳希雷、吳奕坤、潘子喬。
蘇津偉、蘇雲音、譚其俊、杜子軒、蔡俊升、徐子賢、黃俊儀、黃之穎、夏曼寧、楊琪希、葉詠森、姚日希、張依、趙願晴、莊子欣、李思晴、賴若軒、萬子若。
Congratulations on the mentioned classmates. Try your best. We believe that you all can make a better achievement in the third readathon.
This is the end of our announcement. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.